It started as a cruel joke in front of an entire crowd. A powerful CEO laughed at a single dad, pointing at a massive luxury helicopter and saying, "Fly this, and I'll marry you." The people around them chuckled, thinking it was just a rich woman mocking a man far below her status. But within minutes, that laughter turned into stunned silence when the single dad calmly stepped forward and did something that left everyone speechless, especially her. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to your channel name, where we share true and inspiring stories that remind us of the power of kindness, second chances, and humility. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this story if it touches your heart, because today's story might just change how you see people forever. It was a bright Saturday morning in Los Angeles, and the city buzzed with excitement for the charity tech expo, an event where millionaires showed off their latest innovations, and where everyday people came to dream. Standing near the helicopter display was Ethan Miller, a single dad in his late 30s. His hands were rough from years of hard work, fixing cars, washing trucks, doing whatever he could to support his 8-year-old daughter, Lily. He wore faded jeans and a clean but old flannel shirt. He didn't belong among the suits and designer dresses, but Lily loved helicopters, so here he was holding her small hand, her eyes wide with wonder. Nearby stood Ava Stone, the CEO of a luxury tech firm that had sponsored the event. She was young, brilliant, and beautiful, but known for her sharp tongue and cold heart. Her company had just unveiled a $12 million prototype helicopter designed for private luxury flights. Reporters swarmed around her as she posed for pictures beside it. Then, fate, or perhaps something deeper, brought Ethan and Ava into the same frame. Lily, excited, tugged at her dad's hand and asked loudly, "Daddy, can you fly that one?" People nearby chuckled softly. Ava turned, noticed the small voice, and smiled, but not kindly. She looked at Ethan, scanning him up and down, from his scuffed boots to his tired face. "Fly this helicopter," she said with a mocking laugh. "If you can even start it, I'll marry you." The crowd laughed with her. Cameras caught the moment. Reporters grinned, sensing a viral clip. Ethan didn't respond. He just smiled softly and looked down at Lily, who seemed confused. "Don't worry, sweetheart," he said gently. "People say silly things when they don't understand others." Ava crossed her arms. "What's the matter?" "Afraid," she teased. But Ethan only asked one quiet question, "Are you serious about what you said?" Ava smirked. "Sure. Fly it, and I'll marry you." Then the unthinkable happened. Ethan handed Lily his phone, patted her head, and calmly walked past the security rope straight toward the helicopter. The security guard stopped him, but Ethan pulled something out of his pocket, a worn-out leather wallet, and showed an ID card. The man's eyes widened. He quickly stepped aside. Ava frowned, confused. What is he doing? Seconds later, Ethan climbed into the pilot's seat like he'd done it 1,000 times before. His fingers moved with quiet confidence across the controls. The crowd fell silent. Then, with a thunderous roar, the helicopter's rotors began to spin. Gasps rippled through the crowd as the luxury chopper lifted off the ground, smooth, steady, and perfect. Ava's face froze. Her smirk vanished. Cameras zoomed in on her stunned expression as Ethan hovered gracefully above the field, turned the helicopter in a perfect arc, and landed it as softly as a feather. When he stepped out, people applauded not for the machine, but for the man who had just rewritten the room's energy. Ava walked up to him, still in disbelief. How did you?" Ethan smiled kindly. "I used to be a rescue pilot for the U.S. Coast Guard. But I left after my wife passed away. Lily needed me home." For a long moment, no one spoke. Even Ava seemed lost for words. "I'm sorry," she finally whispered. "I didn't know." Ethan nodded. "That's the thing about people. You never really know their story." Later that day, the video went viral. CEO mocks single dad, instantly regrets it. Millions watched the clip, not just for the drama, but for the lesson behind it. But what happened next was even more surprising. Ava reached out to Ethan privately. She asked if they could meet again, this time, not as a CEO and a single dad, but as two people. They met at a small diner on Sunset Boulevard. No cameras. No fancy suits. Just coffee, honesty, and the sound of two hearts learning to listen. I've spent my whole life proving I'm better than everyone, Ava admitted, stirring her coffee. But you made me realize what real strength looks like. It's not money, or fame. It's love. It's kindness. Ethan smiled softly. We all make mistakes. What matters is what we do next. They began to talk more about life, about loss, about dreams. Ava learned that Ethan worked nights to make ends meet, that he still volunteered with search and rescue teams whenever wildfires hit the coast. And Ethan learned that Ava's arrogance came from loneliness. Her parents had pushed her to build a company but never taught her how to build a family. Days turned into weeks, and something genuine began to grow between them, something built not on pride or appearances, but on understanding. One evening, Ava visited Ethan's small apartment. Lily greeted her at the door with a shy smile and a crayon drawing. This is you and Daddy, she said. You're both flying. Ava's eyes welled up. She had never been drawn by a child before. That night, after dinner, Ava sat with Ethan on the balcony, watching the city lights flicker. You know, she said softly, I wasn't serious when I said I'd marry you if you flew that helicopter. It was a stupid, arrogant joke. I know, Ethan replied. But you gave me a reason to fly again. For a moment, they sat in silence. The wind brushed past them. Then Ava whispered, maybe we both needed that flight. Months passed. The charity event was long forgotten by most except for those whose hearts it touched. Ava and Ethan began working together on a program to help veterans and single parents learn aviation and engineering skills. They called it Wings of Hope. At the launch ceremony, reporters once again surrounded Ava. But this time, she didn't stand in front of the cameras alone. She stood beside Ethan, holding Lily's hand. One reporter shouted, "Is it true you two are together?" Ava smiled. Let's just say, he flew his way into my heart. The crowd laughed, but this time, it wasn't mockery. It was admiration. Ethan looked at her and said quietly, you know, you never did answer that proposal. Ava grinned. Maybe you should fly me somewhere private to ask again. He laughed, shaking his head. Deal. Kindness doesn't always come wrapped in grand gestures. Sometimes, it begins with humility, with choosing to see beyond someone's clothes, their job, or their mistakes. Ava learned that day that wealth can buy admiration, but not respect, and Ethan proved that strength comes not from power, but from compassion. In a world that often judges too quickly, remember this, every person you meet has a story you haven't heard. So, be kind, not because they deserve it, but because you do. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more stories that remind us all of the beauty in humanity. Because sometimes, the smallest act of kindness can lift someone higher than a helicopter ever could.